Section 24 of How to Cook Fish. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, visit LibriVox.org. How to Cook Fish by Olive Green. Section 24. 10 Ways to Cook Pickerel. Boiled pickerel à la maître d'hôtel. Prepare and clean the fish and cut into pieces suitable for serving. Dip in seasoned oil, broil and serve with maître d'hôtel sauce. Fried pickerel 1. Prepare and clean the fish and cut into pieces suitable for serving. Dip in beaten egg and cracker dust and fry in deep fat. Fried pickerel 2. Prepare and clean the fish and cut into steaks. Dip in cornmeal and fry in hot fat. Add 1 cupful of cream to the fat remaining in the pan and thicken with 1 tablespoonful each of butter and flour cooked together. Season with salt and pepper. Add a tablespoonful of minced parsley, pour over the fish, and serve. Fried pickerel with tomato sauce. Prepare and clean the fish and cut into pieces of a suitable size for serving. Dip in milk, roll in flour, and fry brown in plenty of hot lard. Drain and serve with tomato sauce. Fried pickerel à la crème. Clean the fish and cut into pieces suitable for serving. Roll in flour and fry diced salt pork crisp. Strain the fat. Fry the fish in it. Take up and keep warm. Add a tablespoonful of butter and a tablespoonful of flour to the fat remaining in the pan. When cooked, add enough cream to make the required quantity of sauce and a pinch of soda. Cook until thick, stirring constantly. Add the salt pork fat and pour over the fish. Baked pickerel 1. Lay the cleaned fish in a baking pan, spread with butter, season with salt and pepper, and sprinkle with flour. Bake as usual, basting with a cupful of hot water to which has been added a tablespoonful of butter and the juice of half a lemon. Serve with any preferred sauce. Baked pickerel 2. Clean the fish, remove the backbone, and soak for an hour in a marinade of oil and lemon juice. Cover the bottom of a baking dish with thin slices of salt pork. Lay the fish upon the pork, rub the fish with butter, cover and bake for 40 minutes. Serve with hollandaise or tartar sauce. Baked pickerel with oyster sauce. Lay the fish in a buttered baking pan, spread with butter, season with salt and pepper, and dredge with flour. Bake in a hot oven, basting with a cupful of hot water to which a tablespoonful of butter and the juice of a lemon have been added. Serve with oyster sauce. Baked pickerel with egg sauce. Put the prepared fish in a buttered baking pan and bake slowly, basting with melted butter and hot water. Serve with egg sauce. Stuffed pickerel. Prepare, clean, and split the fish. Remove the backbone and stuff with crumbs. Season with salt, pepper, sweet herbs, and melted butter. Mix with a beaten egg. Stuff the fish. Sew up and bake, basting with melted butter as required. Pickerel à la bavette. Butter a kettle and cover the bottom with sliced celery and onion. Lay the prepared and cleaned fish upon it. Add a bunch of parsley and a tablespoonful of butter. Season with salt and white pepper. Add a dozen peppercorns, a sliced lemon, a dozen pounded almonds, and cold water to cover. Simmer slowly until done. Take up the fish, beat the yolks of 3 eggs with a tablespoonful of cold water, Take out the parsley, thicken the sauce, pour over the fish, sprinkle with parsley, and serve. Section 24. Read by Dennis Sayers in Modesto, California, for LibriVox, Spring 2007.